humans have walked on the moon, and now they orbit Earth in space stations. Billions of dollars are spent leaving Earth to explore space. But one country has made a different decision. This country has a new mission. It wants to go deep into the Earth. But what is its motivation? Could this be an important exploration that changes our understanding of the Earth? Or is China simply looking for a valuable resource for itself, perhaps even seeking a new monopoly? Is it even possible to drill that deep? And what exactly does China want from down there? These are the topics we'll discuss in this section, and we'll continue our look at China's major projects. Whatever happens with this Chinese project, it has created a new excitement among geologists. It is said that this is a new adventure. China wants to give us a fresh understanding of the Earth by building the deepest borehole in the world. But apparently, previous attempts have failed. In the Sichuan region of southwestern China, their best engineers are drilling a new 1,000-meter borehole. That's deeper than many bodies of water on Earth and taller than Mount Everest. And they've started another project in the realm of history. In northwestern China, they plan something even deeper, an 11,000-meter drill. If they succeed, it will become one of the deepest boreholes ever made by humans. But why does China want to go this deep into the Earth at all? They have two goals. The first is scientific exploration. Think of Earth's crust as a historical timeline. Each layer is like a chapter in the story of how Earth was formed. By drilling into these layers, we can look deeper into Earth's history and uncover its secrets layer by layer. The second reason, of course, is commercial benefit. Deep in Earth's layers, there may be valuable resources. By accessing these treasures, China could secure a vital source of energy to drive its growth and progress. China's deep drilling story began in 2021. That's when President Xi Jinping told the country's scientists, "Let's explore the deep Earth." The main goal of this drilling is to reach materials that formed about 145 million years ago. The data obtained from these ancient layers could help geologists better understand Earth's internal structure and formation. This project could spark a revolution in our scientific understanding and also help us assess environmental hazards. By studying deep layers of the Earth, scientists could learn more about environmental dangers like earthquakes and volcanoes. However, even when the drilling is complete, it might not be the deepest borehole ever made. That record belongs to Russia. They have the famous Kola Super Deep Borehole. It's about 1 kilometer deeper than China's planned drill. To be precise, the Kola borehole reaches 12,300 meters deep, and it took Russia more than 20 years to get there. While China's project won't reach that depth, their aim to complete it in a shorter time frame could make it an equally significant achievement. To understand how hard this is, let's look back at Russia's Kola Super Deep Borehole. Russia started drilling in 1970 and continued until 1994, a total of 24 years. Why did it take so long? Technical failures and equipment breakdowns forced them to drill 5 separate shafts. Despite these setbacks, the Kola borehole proved valuable. Scientists discovered unexpected things like hydrogen-rich water at depths where they thought it was impossible. They also found microscopic plankton fossils deep underground, and even more surprisingly, water in places where it was thought no water could exist. That's not all. They expected to find granite and basalt at certain depths, but instead hit metamorphic rocks, those formed under extreme heat and pressure. This was important evidence for when Earth's tectonic plates formed and how our planet's geological history unfolded. These discoveries deepened our understanding of the crust. But looking at Earth as a whole, even the Kola borehole, while impressive, is just a tiny scratch compared to Earth's radius. If we could go much deeper into the mantle, many long-held scientific ideas could be challenged or overturned. So what happens if we go deeper? The rocks in the mantle move very slowly, even slower than your fingernails grow. No one has ever seen the mantle directly. Think of Earth like a multi-layer cake. The mantle is one of the largest layers. The crust, the thin layer we live on, makes up just 1% of Earth's volume. The core, mostly made of iron and nickel, is about 15% of Earth's mass. The mantle, however, makes up 68% of Earth's mass and 85% of its volume. The mantle is made of rock, not molten lava, as many imagine. Under high temperature and pressure, rocks can flow slowly over millions of years. In geological time, they seem fixed, but a full cycle of mantle movement could take 2 billion years. The mantle is so fascinating that scientists have often dreamed of drilling into it. But how do we reach it? The mantle lies about 2,900 kilometers beneath Earth's surface, but with our current drilling technology, we've only gone about 12 kilometers, roughly 4% of the way there. At the base of the crust, near the mantle, temperatures can reach 400°C, hot enough to melt lead, and pressures over 300 times greater than at the surface. With these extreme conditions, we currently have no way to drill that far. For now, scientists focus on the crust, which is exactly what China's project aims to study to gain a new perspective on Earth's history. There's another reason China wants to go deep technological testing. They want to see how far their current drilling technology can go, and whether their drill bits can handle the depth without the same failures Russia faced over 24 years. No budget details have been shared, but it's said the project will take about 457 days, roughly 1 year, and 3 months to reach its maximum planned depth. This project could change our view of Earth's history. We could uncover new information and learn what our planet has been through over the ages.